Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Tresey with Treseysworld, and we are saying goodbye to 2021. Hello 2022. And so, we got to do it soberistic style, so check this video out. Hey, welcome back. Listen, guys, I know, it's going to be a lot of partying going on, saying goodbye to 2021, hello 2022. But there are some of us that are not going to be drinking, right? And then we're also getting ready for a dry January, which means a lot of people won't be consuming alcohol. So I'm so excited that I get to bring you some really cool drinks. Some really cool drinks to help you through dry January. But just to end the year off right, we gotta have some bubbly. We gotta have some bubbly. Listen, so we are gonna be making a really delicious drink. We're pretty much making our own champagne so that we can have a really cool toast, but soberistic style. So let's get started. So first of all, you will need some lime juice. I'm using Sweetened Lime Juice, so make sure you have some lime juice. We use lime juice in everything. Y'all know this by now, okay? And next we're going to use some sparkling rosé by Welch, so it's non-alcoholic. I know it says rosé, but it is non-alcoholic, so we're going to be using that. A little bit of Sprite. I'm going to break out a ginger beer. Yeah, I love my ginger beers. I don't know about y'all, but my ginger beers, I love me a ginger beer. I had one today. So, but we're going to break out a ginger beer, and we're going to mix all of that goodness up. And then we're going to pour it up in a little champagne flute. And we're going to toast the new year. Yes, we are. So let's get into it. Nothing to it but to do it. Okay guys, so we got a lot of things moved out the way so that we can get started. We have some ice already in our cocktail shaker. We have some sparkling Welch's Rosé. It's non-alcoholic. Don't get it twisted, it's non-alcoholic. We have some lime juice, ginger beer, also non-alcoholic, and a Sprite. Yes, you can use ginger ale if you don't want to use ginger beer. It's up to you, okay? So first thing we're gonna do is pour some of this into our cocktail shaker. Okay, y'all see? I'm gonna bring it right here so y'all can see everything. Y'all see it? All right. And all the measurements will be in the description section, so check it out, and you guys will know exactly how much I use. All right. We may add more. I just knocked that over. We may add more if needed, but right now that's what we're doing, okay? Now ginger beer is gonna give it a little sizzle. So not too much, but just enough, okay? All right, so we're gonna add just a little bit of ginger beer. Y'all, that's already looking like we're gonna toast up. Just a little bit of ginger beer, not too much. And a little bit more. All right. And I'm gonna put this ginger beer to the side because guess what? I'm probably gonna drink it later. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of my sweetened lime juice. Remember, this is sweetened. It's already sweetened. Just a couple of squirts, not too much. And then my Sprite. All right. If you can see, which I'm sure I'm gonna put it closer so you can, Look at that color, y'all. See that color? We want that. We want to have our own non-alcoholic champagne, right? To toast it up with. So it should look like this. Color should be like this. It shouldn't be too pink. Should be like a pink translucent. But it should look like this as far as the color goes. All right, we're gonna give it just a little bit of a shake. Not a heavy shake, just a swirl, pretty much, just to mix all the drinks together. Where's my top to this? Oh, there's a lot of stuff on this table right now. I'm trying to be, you know, festive. We just gonna do it like this. We ain't even gonna do this because obviously, let me just tell you, if y'all shake it up, it's gonna bubble out. You got Sprite in there, you got ginger beer, and you got sparkling cider. So don't shake it up, just do it just like this. Give it a little, give it a little swirl like this. Y'all know what time it is. That's it. That's it. We ready. We ready. I'm gonna take this flute. And it's only one. I'm gonna use this one. We're gonna take the flute and we just gonna pour it up. Y'all ready? Pour it up, pour it up. Here we go. Ooh, y'all. Ooh, y'all. Ooh, y'all. See that? I'll try to raise it up. Y'all see that? Oh, y'all, come on. Come on, y'all. Look at the bubbly, y'all. We got our own bubbly going on. We got our own bubbly now. I'm going to add just a little something to mine. I'm going to show y'all what else you can do with this. You can add, I'm going to add a raspberry to it. Y'all know we got to make it look pretty. So I have some raspberries here. I'm just going to drop it in there like that. And you know the raspberry is going to bubble up to the top. Why? Because we got all that bubbly up in there. And this is our drink, y'all. Look at that. Y'all see it? Let me go ahead and pour it up in the other one too. Y'all ready again? Let's do a pour. We're gonna do 2 pour it ups. Oh, we doing the most today. All right, let's go. All right. Now, I threw a little raspberry in there, right? To make it look cute. It's so simple. It is so simple, y'all. This is so simple. You drop your raspberry in there like that. And it's going to pop up. That's it. You know, that is it. And you ready. You are ready. Y'all can't even see my face because I'm covered in this bubbly. Let me show y'all how we go. All right. Got our 2021. And we just going to set it there. Now, if you was having a little party, people will just come and look how beautiful that looks. Let's move all this out the way so y'all can see the prettiness. I also have these too. These are little fizzers if you want. I'm sorry. These are little things that create fizz. If your bubbly gets a little slow, you want a little more fizz to it, you can drop one of these in there. It's just jelly candy. And it'll go to the bottom. It'll keep that bubble going for the night. You know. Okay, let me get a nice little thumbnail for this because y'all, this is beautiful. Okay guys, so it is time to taste and see. Oh, taste and see. If you don't have nobody to toast with, you gotta do this. Cling. These are plastic, so you don't hear the cling, but these are plastic. But they're cool because they say cheers. And yeah, it was like, I think it was like $4 or something like that at Party City, but they're so cute. I love it. So yeah, let's toast it up. Cheers. All right, time to taste and see. Oh, y'all, we did it. We did it once again. I'm telling you, people aren't even going to be able to recognize that this is non-alcoholic. Like, they're going to trip when they taste this. So you want to walk and talk and do a little sipping, you know, do that. And you can actually do this according to your taste. So if you want to add a little more Sprite, do that. If you want to add a little more ginger, you want a little more of a kick to it, add the ginger. A little more lime, you can add that, but this is perfect. Like, I had 2 squirts of lime, and then a little gel fizz candy. It's called Fizz. That's what it's called. Gummy candy fizz. Gummy candy. I don't know how to say it. It's gummy candy fizz, pretty much. It's at the bottom, and it keeps the drinks nice and fizzy. But so this is to welcome in a new year, alcohol free, but still having a good time. That's what this is. It's all about a good time. Like, we all want to have a good time. Some of us just can't drink right now. And you know what? It's not a bad thing. You know, if you drink, drink. But and you want to drink, drink. But, I mean, alcohol. But if you don't want to consume alcohol, don't be peer pressured into alcohol. Just get you a soberific drink. And they'll never know. Will they know? They will never know. I promise you, they will never know. This is so good. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Y'all, this is so good. So I'm gonna make this. Obviously, I'm serving this. This is my New Year's Eve drink. Man, I gotta drink that. And the great thing about it, you can drink as much of this as you want, and you ain't gotta worry about needing a designated driver, calling Uber, or anything. You can drive your own self home. Now, you might be the designated driver for other people. That's great. For those that consume alcohol, don't go out there drinking and driving, okay? Be safe. You know, value your life and value other people's lives as well. Because sometimes I know people think, you know, I can do this. I can go out there and I'm good. I feel fine. But don't even chance it, because it's not even worth it, okay? Over a drink or some drinks. Just be safe. You know, call Uber, whatever you got to do. Or soberific style. And you don't have to worry about that, but be careful out there, okay? I really want to see you guys next year. And we have so much going on for Dry January. Dry January, we hitting them. We hitting y'all with the drinks. We hitting y'all with the drinks. That's all I can say. I'm so excited. And other videos, I'm doing like a variety of things to try to, you know, make sure everyone is, you know, well entertained and everyone has, you know, a lot of fun on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you're visiting today, I want to say welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Come by anytime you want to, okay? And when you're ready, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And those that are subscribers, make sure you turn on those notifications so you know whenever I post a new video, okay? And feel free to drop them comments. Drop them comments. I want to see what y'all saying. And go on over to our Instagram page, which is Soberific. Right here. Go into our Instagram page and follow us at Soberific. Tag us in your drinks. We want to see how your drinks turned out. We want to see what you making, what you brewing up, what you fixing, you know. And sometimes we'll get ideas from you. So definitely go ahead and tag us, okay? But listen, this has been an amazing, amazing Soberific year. The year was challenging for me, but as far as Soberific, it was like, it's been like a breath of fresh air. You know, it's given me something to do, obviously. And it's also just, it's just giving me something to look forward to. And I really enjoy making these drinks. So I hope you guys enjoy making them. I hope you try them or whatever, you know, when you can. And like I said, we want to see them. I really want to see it. In 2022, I want you guys to help me. Right now we are at 1,600 subscribe, 16, I think 1,610 subscribers. I want to get to 5,000. So I need y'all help to do that. That's like the short-term goal right now. So we're working towards that. Also, I want more engagement, so I need you guys to really talk to me, talk back to me. Let me know you're watching, okay? And what else? Yeah, that's pretty much what I have to say about that. Oh, y'all, I'm gonna make. I think I need to make me some more of these. This is so good. My sister and I, we're gonna hang out, and we're gonna bring in the new year. As you guys know, she's real pregnant right now, so we having soberistic drinks all night, all night, all night. And we just gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna do a seafood boil. We got some beloved sauce we gonna hook up, and I'll probably do a video with the beloved sauce, because y'all, that sauce is bomb. Like I promise you, that sauce is really good. You know, it is really, really, really good. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna have that, and we're just gonna have a good time. Y'all be safe. Have a good time. Enjoy yourselves. Enjoy your family, your friends, whatever. I hope to hear about people getting engaged. I hope to hear about all of that good stuff that a lot of times happens during New Year's Eve. I want to hear about it. Like, I want to celebrate you. And I'm so grateful to you. And I want to shout out to all of my new subscribers. I see their I'm trying to think. I don't have all the names, but just know that I thank you so much for joining the family, and I appreciate you. And I just love you guys. That's pretty much it for this video. These are so cute. This says 2021 can kiss my mask. That's so cute. I just noticed that. This has been your soberologist, Tresey, and I want to say, go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you dream of doing, whatever it is you want to do, go out, do it, and be great today. Happy New Year.